What a glorious day. Glorious day. Here's one of the fishing group members going out on his boat. Lee got his new boat. So welcome back. We're not doing any fishing today though. Bit of a boring video for you just to see what goes on, what involves with your moorings when you have a boat. This is a shite job, to be honest, but we've got to do it. We have to take the chain, the whole length of the chain, the mooring chain, out every 2 years, well, depending if it's a new chain it can stay down 3 years. If it's old chain it has to come out every 2 years. You literally have to take it out the water, take it up to the slip, and we have to check the whole chain, make sure there's no damage. Any corrosion with the salt water will chew through anything, so we have to check it, we have to do it. So we have to cut it away from the top, cut the shackle away from the top, which I'll show you just down here. This is the tool of choice today, the 4-inch. Only 4-inch. 4 inches is massive. Right, so there's my mooring, is the closest one to us. Dave's is just a little further out. If you look at it now there, it's not straight. It should be straight. Those winds we had maybe 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago actually moved the anchor. So let me so what we've done is just cut that shackle off there. That one runs down into the water. We've got to renew all this because it's absolutely gone. This is the one that needs renewing all the way under. As you see, it goes down in there. It needs renewing there. Right, let's go and get in the barge and get out and drag it in. All fun and games, eh? We're just coming up to the chain that we cut off on the bank up there. This is hard work steering this jalopy. Is it straight in front of us, Dave? No, it's not, to the left. Yeah. Yeah, this old barge, yeah. Bobby Dazzler, this one. Yeah. Well, we haven't got a rope on you, Dave. Can you... What am I supposed to do, yeah?
Go back up there, just stick the plastic there, innit?
I think so, yeah.
Stick the nose in there like it's grabbing the back, eh?
I don't know how to do that.
Go back up there.
Right, if you keep hold of it a minute.
I say you turn that off now.
Oh, we've got it. We've got the chain to start. Let's have a look how this old bobby dabbler works then. Was that definitely the cut one, Obi? Let me see the end of it.
Shiny.
Shiny.
You got it? It's got to be on it. We just got to pull on that now. Pull it all in.
Pull on what? I thought it goes through the means when you winch it in.
You can if it's tight, but to save time, get it back on level now and do that. Yeah, that's the fucking chain.
Look, get it on that winch, Dave, somehow.
Do you want it on the winch?
Yeah, it's easier.
Let me just see which way it goes a minute.
To wrap it around on you.
1 second. See how light it is?
Yeah.
Let's just fucking slow. This too. Wind it, mate, when you're ready. Struggle.
You can what?
So I can wind it. See if you're struggling, if it's heavy.
What do you mean?
If it's too heavy on your back there, put it up. I'll stick it on the winch.
It's easier on the winch. The winch, it does do it.
Yeah.
So we've come to the first buoy. That's my back marker. My back buoy, there's my pickup buoy. Use that winch. Save our back. Oh man, and this is why we check it. Look at that link there. There's not a lot left on that one there. Not a lot left on that. Coming up to one of the tails now. That lot don't look so bad.
Can you undo the tail though? So I put them to the side and you put it up a bit for you. What's that shackle like?
Gone.
Fucked?
Yeah, gone.
Cut it?
Yeah.
What we do then, we put the buoys separate so they still winds in right there.
I don't know what's going to be on the end of this though. If I cut it, how heavy it's going to be, that one there.
I'll only your tails, it's only your tails.
Nothing.
No, so you lost the buoy on that one. Cut it off anyway if you can.
Yeah, put the safety glasses on. I've got them on. Watch your fingers. Safety glasses off, well done.
Try and leave that shackle on there.
That's what?
Will it fall out so we know where to remark it when we do them? No, I should have just cut a bit of a chain reading. Next one, just cut the chain a bit. Check the thing on there. Oh, we're going to fucking double that here.
Hey?
Cold in there, it's going around again.
There's the tails. All these tails are good. All these tails are good, Dave. You just leave them on like that.
Either one.
They're all good. Here comes the exciting part with all the mud.
We're taking off here, we're then pull it the best we can so this all this shit coming away from it.
That's going to go to my grab boy, isn't it? There's one of the tails as well. Me and Dave are having a breather. We need some oxygen. Look at all that chain there. Look at it all. What a muddy, mucky mess. I'll show you how we're doing it now. Put the glove back on, get some grip. God knows how much we got left to pull up. Probably been out your hour every day pulling it. Yeah. And this is how you do it. Look at this side. A grizzly bear gets stuck, it gets tangled, you gotta release it out and you gotta pull it. This is the joys of having boats. Look, no one sees all this shit we gotta do. Yeah, my back is burning, my arms are burning. Come on, baby. Right, we'll bring you back in another 4 days when we're still here. Nice day though. That was hard work. So what we've done, lifted it up with that little winch on the barge there, dumped all our boys there. That won't move anywhere, the chain's so heavy. We'll let the tide go right down, drag it up, clean it all, give it a good once over, and take it back out and relay it. Oh my god, my arms are dead. That was a mission. Look at the state of me. People, not doing that again. I'd rather pay somebody to do it. Just take you out a quick look at the vessel. This is my boat. Not been used since the mackerel was in. She's a 26-foot Bayliner trophy. Small engine. This is my baby. Just had, we put on there a new water pump, a new impeller, 2 thermostats. There's 2 thermostats, one each side under there, port side, starboard. Put 2 thermostats, flush mounted rod holders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 under there, 9, 10. Was an inboard, but obviously converted to that big jalopy outboard. Battery, spare fuel tank for the auxiliary, oil tank, fuel filter, It's an anchor I made. And there's the proper anchor. Give you a quick look inside. She's going to be in her right state because we've, like I say, I've not been on here since we went mackerel bashing. Got a little solar panel to put up there. That's the control panel for it. Auxiliary. All the cushions from in here are in my locker. I've got some carpet lining to go on. New carpet lining, new cushions. That is supposed to be a berth. That is, somebody's supposed to sleep under there in the coffin. Nah, not for me. That's alright to get out the window or something down in there. It's quite big. It would turn into a double, and that would be a berth in there, and that would be a berth on there. 3D fish finder. It's the helm. Yeah, she's in a right mess. Little burner. You got the mains batteries under there for the ignition. They're brand new. Not even done half an hour running time, them batteries. So, no fishing today, people. No fishing. Just doing our jobs. Just gonna put you down there in a minute. 1 minute. Let me do this. Sorry about that. I'll get some new lights on there as well. Take you around the side up onto the bow. There's the name of the boat. Uncle Bry. Named after my late uncle, this boat. He taught me how to fish, so anything I do with fishing is in respect of him. That's the lot up on the bow. Nice stainless handrails there. There we go. That's the tour of the boat. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Lovely. Let's give you one last look from the front. Steps up, don't want burglars going in. There she is.